Hi, today I'm making chocolate chunk cookies, and they're grain-free and they're basically sugar-free except for a little dark chocolate. So I just wanted to show you how easy this is. I know they say baking has to be so precise, but I'm not a precise person and it seems to come out fine. And I'm doing my own filming here today, so trying to get everything in. So I make it with cashew flour, so 2 cups. So I take 2 cups of raw organic cashews, throw them in the Vitamix, and you just blend it up. It doesn't even take very long. You could also use almond flour, because I know you can buy almond flour easily. That's already ground up, but I like the cashew flour better. So you put 2 cups of cashew flour in the bowl, and then you take a 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder. Throw that in there. And you put in, I use either unsalted grass-fed butter, or if I have ghee, I'm using ghee today. It has no milk solids, so good for you. So 3 tablespoons of ghee. Okay. And then I put in 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Oh, and I'm dripping the ghee. 2 teaspoons. And then I use liquid stevia. So that is my sweetener too, which doesn't spike your blood sugar. I just put in a couple squirts. So this is organic liquid stevia. And then I put in a little sea salt, Himalayan sea salt, a little shake, don't even measure that. And then I put in a teaspoon of apple cider vinegar. And what I try to do, I like to land it on the baking powder, because then the baking powder sizzles. It gets fizzy, and you make sure it gets mixed up. Nothing worse than a chunk of baking powder in your cookie. I've had that happen before as well. 1 egg from the farmer's market. Throw that in the compost. So I'm just going to stir this up. And you know, I didn't do that. I just mixed everything in together, so it makes it so easy. And I changed the recipe around a lot. Sometimes I make like a cinnamon raisin. So same idea, but you just throw in some cinnamon and raisin instead of the chocolate. Or I've even made bacon chocolate cookies, throw in a piece of bacon, and that's delicious too. So, you know, it's like 1 cookie is enough. Oh, and I forgot, I add in a scoop of collagen protein. It's like the bottom of the thing, because I've been trying to add more collagen to my diet. Just so good for your skin and the dryness, and it's a protein that helps build muscle, and it's great for your joints, connective tissues. So we throw that in too. Then I throw in, I guess it's like a 1/3 of a cup, something like that, of dark chocolate. And I put it on a piece of parchment paper. Is this how Martha Stewart does it? I don't know. She has a whole film crew. Oh, I should have an apron on as well. So, but these, I make this maybe once or twice a week, and I'll give one to Thomas in his lunch. I might have this for an afternoon snack, because it doesn't spike your blood sugar. And everything in there is so good for you. So you don't have to eat regular cookies anymore. And once you start to eat like that, you don't even crave regular cookies anymore. So good. So I hope you will try this, and let me know what you think. And then I kind of smash them all down. And then I put them in the oven. I preheat in the oven, so 350, and I put it in for 15 minutes, and I time the 15 minutes, and I take them out, and I just let them rest on top of the stove top for like 5 minutes. And even if you don't think they're quite done, just take them out, and they come out great. So 350 at 15 minutes. There we go.